Kajingelang kunhun menteri ke Sarkar Jala Meghalaya hak arpandai trek naiwiang arjar puar klasyem megarai bantau shwa Hynnñiew tylli ki border outpost hak jaka khappud ki bakhan danjingma nak jingla ban mi ki kam yom snam kini ki border outpost antau moriap East Chanty Hills, Hamukro, but Tiwi, Jongo West Chanty Hills, Harani Jirang, Jongo Riboy District, but Omwali, Lechadubi, but Langpi, Jongo West Hills District. Yaka outpost Atiar West Hills, but Yamanta, Kasora Jala, Kadang Mang Tangka. Umentri Rangba Jala, Meghalaya, Konrad Kisangma, Aba Pentep Yagani, Hadin Gajelang Kunumentri, Ulong by Yaki outpost, Hapatarkma, Riboy, but Akarshai West Hills, and Sakati Kordan Police Station no Iki. Hakabede Chimbu outpost, Time Block 2, Umentri Rangba Ulong, but Nangipit Binia, but Kibor Chnong, but Lapata UDGP, Malik Jurip, but one rat kaiphod Chintrawa, Hakanu Chaka, Bakikwa Banbu, Iki outpost. Habakali long Balamang Banpanyang Bhai, Digi outpost, Dagibor Pullet, but Chinokambaro, but Kamang Pulut Nangbatak, Wake outpost, Kalong Arkulur Tanka.
The creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Chanty Hills in Muriap, in West Chanty Hills in Mukro and TY, BOP number 3. This is in West Chanty Hills. In Riboy, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lechadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Atiar. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations, and required infrastructure also will be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Riboy district, bordering Block 2, and there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to get the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area, with the areas of differences within Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Riboy district. So Riboy also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Riboy area. So these are the major decisions that were made today in the cabinet. So in every BOP, there is roughly an expenditure of about 2 crores annually, and in an outpost about 1.5 crores. It's plus minus depending on the exact manpower that will be there. So if you're talking about 7 of them right now, there's about 14 crores of expenditure annually in the BOPs, and roughly about in the other locations about 3 to 4 crores. So we're looking at this decision leading to an impact of about 17 to 18 crores roughly. Again, I can be wrong by a few percentage or amounts, but that's roughly the expenditure to be. Yeah, so basically what we have to realize is that in the past, in many locations, the BOPs were set up, but the BOPs were set up without actual sanction. And hence the manpower was brought in from the district or from other police stations or other outposts and posted there on a form of a temporary basis. So when we say we are sanctioning this, that means there will be budgetary provision kept for the post. Post will be sanctioned and recruitments will be done to fill this up. But of course, in the meantime, while that takes place, manpower from other areas will be adjusted. But these will be sanctioned posts, and hence they will have to be filled up. We have not gone into details of that. We can examine that if necessary, and we can talk about and discuss it Right now, as I said, we felt that we needed to immediately ensure that the presence of our forces and our police forces to give a sense of security and safety to our people was absolutely necessary, and hence we have immediately gone for this step. Other measures we can definitely examine.